Today, Michigan Attorney General Bill Schuette announced major new charges related to the water crisis in Flint.
Let me say that involuntary manslaughter is a very serious crime.
Schuette charged the state's Health and Human Services Director, Nick Lyon, with involuntary manslaughter in the death of 85-year-old Robert Skidmore, who lived in a Flint suburb and died during a Legionnaire's outbreak connected to the city's lead water crisis.
After allegedly being informed of the growing Legionella situation in Flint, Nick Lyon failed to inform the public of this health threat.
In fact, Lyon allegedly knew about the outbreak for a year before telling anyone. 4 other state officials who've already pled not guilty to lesser allegations were also brought up on involuntary manslaughter charges, including the city's former emergency manager, Darnell Early, the man at the helm when Flint switched its water source. That brings the total number of current or former officials indicted to 17. Lyon and 4 others could go to prison for 15 years, and the indictments mark a turning point in the Flint investigation. It's the first time government officials have been directly linked to the deaths of Flint residents. But culpability only goes so far. Today, Schuette confirmed that he won't be charging Michigan Governor Rick Snyder.
The fact that he's letting Governor Snyder off the hook for manslaughter is appalling. That man, the governor, since we have been under state control since 2011, has been the single decision maker for the city of Flint. Every decision landed on his desk, and so he knew.
Snyder and Schuette are both Republicans, but they've frequently been on opposite sides of the Flint crisis. There's speculation that Schuette is eyeing the governor's mansion next year when Snyder term limits out. And the 2 men traded some not-so-subtle political digs today when Snyder hit back at Schuette, saying he had full faith and confidence in the HHS director and called on the AG to hurry up and give court dates to people who've already been charged with crimes against Flint.
Everything that's happened to us in Flint has been political. People have died. All of these deaths could have been prevented if these people who are in charge of our public safety and our health did their job.